Hi everybody, my name is Nathan Stuckey and I'm the founder of Live, which is a nonprofit organization geared towards helping people gain better control over their use of media. Now, this is for a social media class, which is totally ironic, I understand, because I'm trying to help people not use social media so much. But there's something to be heard from this thing is social media, of course, is where all these people are. So using social media as a tactic was, I think, pretty beneficial and will have greater benefits in the future. So let's talk a little bit about the beginning of the Live campaign. So the Live campaign started because I saw a need. There was a need for an increase in people's ability to communicate, because especially face-to-face, as we're all soaked into our media, which doesn't always portray the true things that we think about, as we have time to manipulate and recreate things. And anyways, there's a problem. There's a big problem, and I saw a need and hopped on it and wanted to use social media as a tactic to take care of that. So the campaign is much bigger than social media, but this is just one of the methods to take care of spreading this awareness of getting people off their phones and developing relationships face to face. So there was a need. So posting looked a lot like this. So there are three types of posts that I use. There are red background posts with one word as a caption. It's right there in the middle, so pause or breathe, as you see here. Two were pictures of the outdoors, or of this turtle or this mountain or this little boy playing in the grass. And then three was relationships. And so you can see that on these ones too. And all of these are the benefits of going outside. And then the little red caption or red background words are ways to stop people and to hopefully catch their attention, kind of like a stop sign, to get them to pause for just a moment, just enough time for them to read a caption. And so really it'll help people as they're scrolling through their feed to stop eventually and then be inspired to set their phone down and go do something else. So it's not necessarily that it's bad, so I'm not trying to make them feel terrible, but ultimately it's time to get outside. So here's the brand. As you can see, I created this font on my own as well too. So as you see in here, the pause and the breathe and the live, that's all my own font and branded that way to be nice and clean and minimalist, just like the audience really likes, which are the millennials of today. So the growth that I saw mostly came from learning the difference between the user and the practitioner. So a practitioner is somebody who actually crafts what they do. They're careful about what they post. They don't just post random things, but they do their best to articulate clearly what they're trying to do and keep their vision in mind as they post every day. Time and quality are also critical in this, as time, people normally aren't willing to spend as much time to attack the right audience, but your audience is critical. If there's anything I've learned from this class, it's your audience is key. And if you can target them well, then you'll reach them. Otherwise, they'll just reach a vague audience, which won't have any stick in the future. So those are the few things that I learned over the course of the semester, and plan to continue this forward, so keep your eyes out for the Live campaign.